What's going on, everybody? Sam here. I am a heavy music promoter as well as a concert promoter in Las Vegas, Nevada. Today, I will be reacting and reviewing to the latest single from Bitterwood. It's called White Noise, which features Final Words. Back when I reviewed their last song, Withdrawal, it was my favorite discovery of 2021. Obviously, since that time frame, I've discovered a lot of other artists in the past, and there's so many bands that I can discover and be like, oh, this is my favorite. So, um, I think with this particular band, it still might be my favorite discovery because of just how unique and like creative they are with their heavy music. And I don't think that's gonna change with this. At least I hope not. So let's just get straight to it. Three, two, one. Shout out Slam Worldwide.
12 feet underground.
Guitar
Whiskey
Hero.
soul in your tomb. My name lies on your grave. I will see you soon.
Where's that star mode at? Mosh, so bad.
Just felt brave, unfollow, so too near to feel alone. Grab tight, run, mother's head. The only feeling she felt that night. I've been contemplating what I feel, where I go, into the trust.
Get dunked on. Oh, where's that star mode? You gotta do the star mode. Oh, bass.
Forget me.
Oh, please don't end it like that. You ended it like that. Oh, I was about to get ready to get out my chair.
Hey, you're finally awake.
Freaking Skyrim, man. These guys can be pretty funny with their videos, man. Man, that was killer. I think I liked Withdrawal more, but man, that was a solid track. Like I said, I was this close to getting up out of my chair, but you had to end it like that. It's kind of a bummer. But yeah, looking forward to more music from you guys, man. It was well done. When I said that it was my favorite discovery of 2021, I think I'm gonna stick with that after hearing this because this is very creative. Like I said, it's very different, but I liked it a lot. So, well done. If you like what you heard, if you like what I'm doing, please drop a like and a subscribe. I'll be doing more of these videos in the near future. So with that being said, my name is Sam. Peace out.